Welcome back to Up to Something Outdoors. It's another SeaRay.
So today we have another SeaRay SRV. We went to this one, what was that, about a half hour away. The girls and I are going to be doing this one all by ourselves, so we'll see how it goes.
Now let's go inside and see if we can find any cool stuff.
I think that's your favorite part, isn't it?
Yep.
Can you get it, Mads? Here. Or not. Guess I'll go.
Key.
Oh, we found a key.
It's over here. You get that and no, I need that.
Alright, so we've got 2 batteries there.
Oh, it's not coming out.
Here you go, Mads. You grab it?
Like that. Oh, like that. Is this one open?
No, we don't need those. Those stay in.
Ooh, buoy thingy.
Take it out. Oh, those are nice ones too.
Sorry.
Take it out. No, that can stay in. Don't hit the cats, but throw them out.
Oh, okay. There's a lot of them.
Grab the other one. Mads, right here. No, leave those. See all those pipes? Those can come out.
Never mind.
Yep. Toss those out. Morgan, you want to go check up there?
A necklace!
Oh, I think that's your favorite thing, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
All right, you want to go climb up there? Go check that hatch?
I'm going to check it too.
Oh, you're going to help her?
It's so hard.
Yep.
An anchor! Wait, help me lift it. Okay.
Can you get it?
Oh, this is light. Where did I put it?
Yeah?
Where did
Just
I
set it
put
right there. You got the rope? Is that some nice clean rope?
What would you call this clean? I wonder if that was its color. Screw. Can I get the screw?
We don't need a screw.
Never mind, we don't need a screw. Wait, I put the brown thing.
Anything else back up there?
No. Upset like blue.
All right, come back here. You want to check the glove box?
Yeah. It's locked.
So take the key.
We can't get it out.
The key!
Yeah, we can't get it out.
No, the key does not come out.
The key locked itself in there.
Rue, can you pass up a screwdriver? Flathead. Actually, never mind, over here.
I can get it cracked a
Yeah?
little.
Okay, she'll crack it. You put it in. No.
Ouch.
Right here.
Why didn't you Whoa! That was loud. Okay!
Another key. Look at that. A koozie.
A koozie.
A mini lighter.
Whatever. Ooh, it's a whistle.
It is a whistle. Does it work, Mads?
It's a ball.
Just blow it. Yeah, it works.
Ouch. A light? Does it work?
No, it doesn't.
Sunglasses.
Safety glasses.
Safety glasses, yeah.
All right. Is that it?
No.
No, it's okay. That's just random. Okay, so to start the disassembly, you're going to take this one off first. Go ahead. Keep going. You think you're going the right way?
No.
Give it a try. There you go.
Okay, yeah.
Is that way a little too easy?
Yes. This way's easier. Kind of.
Keep going. You can probably use your hand now. Almost there. Almost there still. Pick it up, toss it in the boat.
Bye-bye.
Okay, put it in.
Bye-bye.
All right. Grab the hammer. Mads, you want to hold it? Yep. Then I'll take that. You grab the crowbar. Okay, we're going to pull this piece off. So how do you think we're going to do that?
I'm going to use the other side.
No, she's got it right. Tuck it in here. And then push it up. Up. Push. Do you want to do the hammer or you want her to?
All
right, go over there. Yep, right there. Give it a whack. Harder. Harder. There you go. Keep going.
I can't hit it.
Oh, you're moving it. I see it. There you go. Harder, 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 harder. Good job. Oh, there you go. You want me to do it?
Okay.
You're getting it, though. I can see it. You're getting it.
Wait.
Back up, Mary. She'll hit you. Harder. Harder. There you go. There you go. Just like that. There you go. Almost there. Almost there. Good job. Good job. Good job. There you go. There you go. Keep going. Almost there. There you go. Perfect. 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 Good job. That was a good one. All right. Now it's Morgan's turn.
That sounds like fun. Can I play? Wait.
All right, Morgan, you ready?
And where do I put it?
In here. No, other end.
Oh.
Yep.
That is
And then push towards me.
push.
Okay. Can you see? Pull up that. Think you can? There you go. That's all it does.
Oh. Well, that's okay. Now do we do that side?
Yep.
So I have to go over there now?
Hit it. Actually, can you give her the hammer? Let her have a turn.
Whack it. Where? Just right here?
You can't just...
Yeah. So what's right there?
Remember how she just had the crowbar in?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, do that. What the heck?
So put it right here. Right here. And push it towards me.
Just a sec, let me get this on. Okay. Yep.
Yeah.
Watch your toes. Good job. High five.
How do we get this one off?
Yeah? What do you think?
We're gonna swack it.
We're going to swack it off? Or maybe you think we need to take the nuts off?
Can I pull that out? It's a little longer than what we need it to be, but it'll work.
Go ahead. But that doesn't fit.
But
Nope, it's already off.
oh. There. That one. So.
And go grab the flathead. Nothing.
Just pull.
Or not. Put it in.
Right here.
Yep.
And put. Wait.
Yep, keep pushing.
Like this.
Push.
Whoa.
Oh, we got it. Yep, they always do. All right, piece one. Got it out.
Yay! Yeah, it sounds
Oh, look at that. She started up. That sounds really nice. So now we have to be very gentle in how we take her out. Think you can do that?
No.
All right. Well, let's start with the batteries then.
Okay.
Okay, this one right here. You're going to have to hold it up a little bit.
Like that?
Like this, and then turn.
Okay. Like this.
Other way.
That.
Mm-hmm.
Turn.
So we'll go there. They're a different size. Worked. Alright, Marvin. I'm gonna loosen these. Now you can take them off with your hands. Okay?
Okay.
Got it? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Alright, Mads, what do you want to work on? There should be 2 of them.
Okay.
You want to work on this?
Yeah.
Alright, let's see if we can get this doghouse out of here. Yes.
Now what do I do?
Alright, so
Put these.
just drop them.
Drop them. Oh, was that easy? That was easy. Okay.
That was easy.
I know what they call a doghouse now.
Yeah?
I don't.
It's like a doghouse. Go on. Alright, let's give this one a try, and then... Alright, that one's not going anywhere either. Let's see. Maybe... Okay, so someone just made our job 10 times harder. These are through-bolted. So we will just grab the Sawzall and just cut that whole board off and not even deal with this. Alright, Matt, do you want to help me get this? You grab that end. Ready? Pull. Pull. Oh, good job. Alright. Throw this thing out. And see what's under here. What do you think's under here, Matt? Yeah. Gas? Nope, just an empty hole. With nothing in it. Except the plug.
Maybe it's for storage.
Now don't fall in it now that it's open. Alright. Got the Sawzall. I was out here.
Stop!
Alright, there's one. And let's do the other side. That was much easier. Now, let's see if we can get to those back ones. Hopefully they didn't through-bolt these 2.
That's loud.
Can't tell if it's moving or not. There's that anyway. Enough out of the way. Oh, it feels like it's just spinning. Yep. Alright, so that. Ready? Got it? Good job.
I did not like those sparks.
Yeah, you didn't like the sparks.
Can't hurt you. Yes, I can.
All right, Morgan, you want to do the hose?
Sure.
All right, here. Morgan.
Which one?
This one right on top.
Okay.
Got it?
Probably not. So.
Yep. I'll hold it. You cut over here.
Right here?
Yep. job. All right, now I'll grab a flathead screwdriver and you can get all the hose clamps off.
Hose clamps, okay.
The blue-handled
Oh, gotcha. This one.
Oh.
Okay, so you see all those hose clamps right here? Let's start with these two.
Okay.
Just take those off first.
To the right or the left? Left. Okay, left. To the left, to the left, to the left, to the left, 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 left.
Almost there?
Mm-hmm. Aren't you going back? Oh, there we go. Almost, almost, almost.
So close.
So close. Almost, almost, almost. Almost.
A couple more turns.
Turn, turn, turn. I'm hearing cracking noises.
There you go. Now the one above it.
I think I just broke it.
No, it's how it's supposed to be. There's the one above it.
There, you're fine.
No. Oh, so close. Okay. All right, last one's out. Now we can get these out of here.
Sorry, Kenzie.
Let's see if we can get. Okay, so since we didn't find the gas tank down the center line like it usually is, we looked for the gas fill port, which is up here, which means that the gas tank is in here. So we will call in reinforcements with the chainsaw to get this one out.
friend of ours is going to use these for their lake house, so we're going to take them off. Get these rivets out.
Compactor's busy on the other side of the landfill. So here she is, all lonely, waiting to be compacted.
Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.